A quiet day in your front yard and you need to charge something, but you don't want to run all the way into the house. So what do we do? Well, let's think. What do we have here? Looks like a portable power station built specifically for Ryobi batteries. And what do you know? We have a stack of Ryobi batteries that we can work with. Problem solved. So it looks like this design can work with a minimum of 1 battery, but as much as 4. So we'll go ahead and just add 4 batteries to this contraption and see what happens here. So off to the side, there's some charging ports, and with a flick of a switch, we could charge USB devices. Also, we could run your standard 110 devices as well with a flick of a switch. And there's some outlets. And what do you know? It looks like this thing could work. Wow. Excellent, excellent. But wait, let's not forget, this power station is also portable. You just take it by the handle and off you go. What's this, you say? You have no way to charge your batteries. Not a problem. Simply get yourself a set of solar panels, grab your solar panel connector, and insert it into one of the 2 charging ports you see here on the side of the power station. And as you see here, there's an amp meter telling you the power output of the solar panels, and a battery meter to show you the charging state of the batteries. Genius! Yeah, that's right. Yours truly has completed yet another DIY project, and happy to share it with you guys. So if you want to see more, want to see greater detail as to how I did it, I gotta suggest you click the link in the description box below, and you'll have all the information you need. So, and there's my little boy right behind me. So anyway, fun project, and I'm more than willing to share with you guys. Hope you enjoy.